is Komali and I am 7 years old. This is my little sister Kushali.
Hi!
She is 5 years old. Kids Deck. This is our platform to share our stories and learning in a fun way. As we talk about many topics such as nature, space, books, whatnot, and absolutely everything. Please join the fun. Make your spot in our Kids Deck and enjoy the ride. Let's welcome our friends to the show.
Welcome to Kids Deck, everyone.
Kushali, stop Kushali, stop Why are you crying?
I got hurt super badly.
Okay. But stop crying. Let me see what it is and see if I can help you.
Don't touch it! I got hurt super badly and it won't heal forever.
Calm down. Okay, I'll go call Mom and come back and ask her if she can help you.
No, stay here.
Mom said that she'll come in 2 minutes, so maybe I can make you feel better meanwhile.
Okay, then tell me some story.
I will tell you how your wound heals.
Okay, tell me that.
Okay, calm down. So now let me start.
How can I calm down? I'm just feeling so sad.
That's what I'm trying to help you with, Kushali. Let me tell you. Now I'll start. When your skin gets a cut, the broken blood vessels immediately become very narrow. This stops excessive blood and helps to keep germs out of the blood. Then substances released into the blood cause it to clot. The blood clot holds the edges of the wound together and hardens it into a protective scab. See, look at this one. It happened last week when I fell down on my bike when I was riding it.
And won't you become like that?
Yeah, that means it's healing.
Good morning. Where's mom? Call her again.
Okay, Kushali. I'll just have a quick look if she's coming. It's time to say bye for our listeners. Okay, let's say it together.
Bye.
Thank you for listening to us. Hope you learned something new today. Let your learning continue. Keep exploring. Ask a lot of questions. Don't forget to have fun.